Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what I dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I have like all these like loose shadows. I think they're from Makeup Geek and NYX. Yep. So you can use any shades to do this, but I think this is from Makeup Geek. So we're just gonna go in. It's like a dark brown shade, and I'm gonna put it right here. And this is on S215. So these are just single shadows. Please don't go buy like single shadows if you already have, you know, shadows in a palette. Like when I was starting up with my makeup, you know, like I was influenced by all this nonsense about all these single shadows, and don't do that. Don't do that. I make the mistake so you don't have to. And then I flip my brush and then just no, I can't find. Maybe I don't need a glitter glue. We're gonna use this flathead blush. And we're gonna go into this like gold, like silvery shade, baby. And then I'm gonna use this brush from Lunar Beauty, and I'm gonna use something to just blend this. Let's go in with another loose one, which is this shade right here. Then back to this, which is my first shade, and then just then back to this. It's like all hurt in my hand. Wanna make you happy and then she goes. 나만 혼자 남겨뒀어. 대화가 필요해. 너 먼저. Okay, so that's for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and I'm actually gonna use this foundation. I haven't used the foundation in a while. It's the Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer from Nars, and this is shade medium 2. Use this in forever. Oh, if you're interested, I use my Tatcha silk canvas primer. Look at this pimple at the side of the house. So I think I need a little bit more coverage. I'm gonna use this. This is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I know I'm all over the place today, all over the place. Let me put this lash real quick. Oh wow. And I'm gonna use my Pretty Fresh ColourPop concealer. You know, my only issue with this concealer is it stinks. Like it has such a strong smell. And then we're gonna use this, the NYX Yummy Skin Concealer. Then we're gonna use this brush for Melt Cosmetics. Oh. I don't know about this brush. I think this brush is like spreading this all over the place. Well, I don't want it. This is the Morphe E6. Always on my phone sending a text to somebody. Huh? That's not what I was using, was it? Nope, I was using this. I'm trying to make sure like this is blended. Like this is super dark, but it's fine. Okay, now let us blend out my concealer. I'm gonna use my slick brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. She has a concealer and a foundation. I want to try it, but I hate to buy stuff like that. I mean, just look at, I did it in the store and I still mess it up. And the thing is, if it's not crazy dark, I can't use it like this way. So I'm like, then I'm gonna use this brush to like just, you know, then back to this brush, make sure everything is nicely blended. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Givenchy Prism powder to set the under eye and everywhere I have concealer. My mind is like 5 billion miles away. $5 billion miles away. Okay. I'm gonna use this. This is from Patrick Tar. I don't even like saying what this is. So it is from him, and it is the Precision eyeliner, and I think this shade is cream. But this breaks so easily, guys. Like, if you can get another one that works, get that instead. It's just not that great, and it's kind of expensive too, actually. I'm only gonna use that one shade that's in my order V. And this is on a T2. And then I'm gonna take that shade I have in my order, like, and I'm just gonna bring this down. And this is on a Makeup Geek brush. It's a small crease brush. I'm gonna use my matte Rich Golden Skin Finish from MAC. And I'm gonna use my Alleyoop brush, which is dirty and I need to clean it. But this is volume 1 from Juvia's Place. I think I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna use Spoon from Colourpop, and this is on a T12. Perfect. Okay, now let us jump into our dupe Friday. So today we're gonna dupe out this 2 lip pencil. This is the Extreme Artist Color Pencil Extreme for Makeup Forever, and this is in shade Limitless Brown. And then this is NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in shade Club Hopper. So let's read a little bit about this stuff. So the one from NYX is $5, tons of shades, and this is just like a brown shade. Little information about it. No need to play matchmaker or ask how to put lip liner. We've already created the perfect suede matte lip liner to go with our suede matte lipsticks and liquid suede cream lipsticks for you. That's right. So there's pretty matte neutral liner. Pencils were literally made to match those powdery matte lipsticks. So basically they're saying you don't really have to guess it up, like you can just use their stuff, but today we're not gonna use their stuff. We're just gonna use the lip liner, and we're gonna dupe it out with the Makeup Forever one. That one is $26, and discover Artist Color Extreme Pencil, the waterproof transfer proof version of our viral lip liner Artist Color Pencil, available in a variety of shades featuring pinks, reds, and best-selling nudes. Endless cacao, anywhere caffeine, without walnut, limitless brown, and dimensional dark brown. Those are the shades that is in this collection. So they say it's $26, and let's go and jump on that. So I'm gonna do the Makeup Forever on my bottom lip, and then I'm gonna do the next one on the top, and let's go. I almost tried to bring my lip together. And on the top, we're gonna go ahead and use the NYX. Okay, and then to top everything off, we're gonna go ahead and use this lipstick from LYS, and this is shade Sincere. Okay, so perfect. So I think it looks good, you know, like it looks good. My only issue is I don't think so. Again, one is $26, one is $5. If you love the Suede lip liners, go ahead and continue using it. However, I don't think they're dupe. When I was passing the one from NYX, it was like tugging on my lip, and I don't like that feeling at all. Like it almost hurt a bit, right? And then when I used the one from Makeup Forever, it just glides. So again, will it work? 100%. Is it a dupe? No, I don't think it's a dupe. So yeah, so that's it guys for this dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys. 나에게 말해봐 너와 나의 이 관계가 달라졌음 해